Who's that on the page? Who's in the book? Who is that? Who's that? Kinsley, tell G-Pop who this is. Is it horsey? Is it a horsey? Kinsley. Yeah, it is. It's a horses. We're done with it now. So tell him bye, G-Pop. Have a good rest of your work, Chip. Kinsley, tell him bye-bye. Good job. Bye-bye.